We need non-stop supply of oxygen to stay alive. For this purpose, on an average, an adult takes about 20,000 breaths a day. To meet this workload, lungs expand and contract successively 10,000 times per day. Food and food combinations and food circadian rhythms help lungs. First and foremost step is to avoid or minimize junk foods, excessive fried foods, charred foods, excessive oily foods, smoked foods, high sugary concentrate foods, highly processed foods, canned foods, chaat masalas available on roadside eateries, sugary drinks, canned juices, strong red meats, etc. Not only foods, but also a few food combinations and rule of sequence would help. It is not good to take any fruit juice immediately after a strong meal. Fruit juices are recommended before starting a solid meal only. Similarly, avoid heavy carb foods or strong fat foods in dinner, particularly late dinners. For example, it is good to avoid potatoes, spicy combinations, cheese concentrates, etc. in dinner menu. These can cause a little breathing inconvenience or pleural formation due to upper gastric pressure. Avoid high-calorie foods just before bedtime. Food combinations do play a role for efficient lung performance. For example, avoid combination sweet fruit juice with sour juices. Similarly, it is not generally good to add milk to fruit or fruit juices. Some people are allergic to particular type foods, such as peanuts or eggs. Some of these foods may cause breathing problems, so one has to identify particular food and avoid for lung health. Breathe some fresh air, particularly lung-related ailments more in urban living due to pollution and lack of good quality air. Procure a good air purifier. Keep regular outing to fresh air spaces away from urban zones. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our channel.